Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop this auto opening of your drive. Anytime when you plug a pen drive, it does auto opens. Now let's try this our pen drive and see. Now let's open this PC. Now you can see that I don't have any drive inside. So let me connect this drive, plug this drive. So I plug it. Now you can see that the drive has opened and automatically it just opened the drive directly. Now this could be serious in terms when it comes to viruses, because if your drive is infested with virus and you just plug it immediately, definitely once it opens and some of the viruses can just execute itself, right? Or automatically once it opens and you have access to whatever that is inside the drive, it's automatically going to affect your PC. Now let's stop these issues of opening this pen drive automatically. So close this. Now you can see our drive is here. So let's unplug it, plug it once again, and now you can see it automatically opens again. So let's stop this. Right, to stop this is very easy and simple. Now just go to your settings. You can press Windows key plus I, or just click on your start and you see this is settings, or if the settings is not there, just right click on the start and still you can see the settings here. So just open it. So once our settings opened, just go to Bluetooth and devices, click on that. Right, so once you have your Bluetooth and devices, scroll down and we have this AutoPlay here. So click on AutoPlay. Right, so you can see we have removable drive. Now let's maximize this. Right, so once you go to removable drive, you can see we have open folder or view files into brackets file explorer. So meaning once you plug the drive, automatically the drive will open. So drop down and you can see we have here configure storage settings, take no actions, or ask me every time it is plugged. Now ask me every time when it's plugged, because once you plug the drive, a notification will just pop up telling you that the drive is being plugged. Would you want it to that, or you want to take no action whether the drive? So but in my case, I'll just prefer that anytime I plug the pen drive, it prompts me that there is indeed a pen drive which I plugged onto the PC. So let's select that. So click on that. Now let's close this. Right, so eject the drive. Right, so the drive is being ejected. Now let me plug it back, then you see what I'm talking about. So plug it back. Right, so you can see we have that here. The drive is being plugged and it has notified me that the drive is being plugged onto our PC. Right, so this is it here. Right, so that is just how easy and simple to turn off this notification. So just go to the start, go to your settings and go to Bluetooth and devices, and under Bluetooth and devices just scroll down to AutoPlay, click on that, and then we have this removable drive. Likewise this applies to memory, so you can just use the same here. This one is in the case of memory cards, so but we don't need that. We are talking about removable drives, whether hard drive, pen drive, or any other removable drive that you do plug onto your PC. So you just drop down and select whether take no action. Depending on your preference, you can take no action or open the folder. But as I said, opening the folder, once the drive is infested with viruses, once you plug it and it opens, sometimes your PC can get infected also with a virus. And in order for us to prevent that, ask me every time I plug a drive. So once you just select this and you plug in your drive, it definitely pops up and tell you that there is a drive which is connected. Then you can now scan it or whatever that you want it. If you really indeed trust your drive, you can just open it and then access it. Or if you don't trust it, you scan it before you now have access to the drive. So that is just how easy and simple it is to stop this auto opening of any removable drive that you plug onto your PC. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.